Hello everyone, CR is back, Creative Redundancy. And can I do it with my e-bag on? These e-bags are also known as a bug-out bag, a BOV, as an acronym, a 72-hour kit, a 72-hour plus kit, an evacuation bag. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some pull-ups and chin-ups with it on. This is the same backpack that I've shown before. It weighs about just under 14 pounds, which is just over 6 kilograms. And the idea behind this is you want to be able to move your bag forward. You might have access to a car, vehicle, skateboard, bicycle, scooter, etc., etc. and number of wheels, but you might not, and you might have to travel on foot, go up hills, and do all this stuff, and get out of Dodge, or go somewhere else with it. So you want to be able to move. If you can't move, well, you ain't gonna get far. Oh. It's much harder than it seems, that's for sure. Hopefully I'll be able to do more in the future and do more than a few. So I challenge you guys out there with your go bags, bug out bags, 72-hour bags to try that out. Can you do that? So if you enjoyed this video, hit me up on a thumbs up. So as the world changes so much oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Until the next video, it's peace out from Creative Redundancy, and I'll catch you later.